In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a co-host on Booking.com. By the end, you'll know exactly how to invite someone you trust to help manage your property from your Booking.com extranet with the right permissions and a smooth setup. First, sign in to your extranet by going to admin.booking.com using your partner login. Make sure you're logging into the account that manages the property you want to share. If you manage multiple properties, confirm you're on the correct one before moving on. And a quick reminder, never share your own login details with anyone. Each person should have their own account for security and accountability. Once you're in, head to your profile area. You'll typically find an avatar or a My Profile option in the top right corner. Click it and look for Create and Manage Users, or wording along those lines. This opens the user management section where you can see existing users and add new ones. Now, add your co-host. Click the button that says Add a User or Create User. Enter the co-host's name and their email address carefully, since the invitation will be sent there. Next, assign their access rights. This is where you decide what they can see and do. For example, give them reservations, if they'll handle bookings and cancellations, rates and availability, if they'll update calendars and pricing, and messages, if they'll respond to guest inquiries. Grant only what's necessary for their role. You can always return later to adjust permissions if their responsibilities change. When you save, Booking.com may ask you to verify that you're authorizing this new user. This could be a code sent by email or a PIN sent to your phone. Complete that verification to confirm the addition. At the same time, the co-host will receive an invitation email from Booking.com. Ask them to open it, accept the invite, and create their own login. If they don't see it, have them check their spam or promotions folder and make sure they use the same email you entered. Some invitations have expiration windows, so it's best they accept promptly. That's it. You've added a co-host, assigned their permissions, and triggered the invite. If you ever need to modify what they can access or remove their access entirely, return to the same user management area and update their settings. Small changes take effect right away, which helps you keep your account secure and your workflow efficient. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.